Oh, no, that's not Santa's gift, I'm sure. Christmas morning, and we're looking for Santa's gifts. Heather, what about the one that's dead in front of you?
What?
This one right here.
Where?
Right here.
That's Santa's gift.
Yeah, it looks like it. It says Merry Christmas, and it's got a big old stain in front.
Yeah, let me open it.
Why don't we pull it from the tree so you don't get any of the other presents? Wow. Well, you tell me. What is it?
It's McStuffins.
Yeah, what is it? A Doc McStuffins what? It's a pet care thing. Cool. So, did Santa bring you what you wanted? Are you happy? I'll open it for you.
I know.
No. Hold on. I could use the box.